one of the reasons that I think ThingsCon is a really good event, because it's one of the few places where you have the academic people and the practitioners in the same space, and it's pretty unusual. But I think it's extremely important for the future of IoT.
One of the things we've discovered today is that first of all, we need to understand what we mean by responsible. And then what we see that actually it will give us different lenses in which to look at what we're doing, whether it's building a business case, whether it's building a product, or whether it's engaging with citizens.
Technology and the Internet of Things play such a central role in our lives, and that role is constantly growing, that we really need to make sure that it works for us and not against us.
I think the key is transparency. So any company that builds an IoT-based product should make a manifesto that clearly illustrates how they're going to use the data and how the customer can get that information back.
In my take, it's you have to really democratize the process of producing technology and also regulating it. And only then you can have a responsible tech in the future.
Thinking about responsibility and tech makes me think about interdisciplinarity and the need to have different people involved and make sure that different voices are kind of involved and heard.
So I think that for a future that is worth wanting and wanting to live in, there's a couple of things we need to pay attention to. So one is that technology should not be disappearing. Second, needs to be driven by what we actually need. So not what kind of IoT do you want in your home, but rather what are the human needs that we have.
So if we want to be shaping responsible IoT, we need to know what A, responsibility means, B, what IoT means, and C, have some kind of view of what the implications for the future are. With those three things, people can actually form awareness and then draw actionable plans to make or shape an actual responsible IoT.
Vandaag we developed a notion as the public stack. That could be structuring also how we deal with IoT. So data minimization, no surveillance, no extractive business models. Looking at also at the ecological footprint of the technology that you're using. So this could be some of these values that can shape the future of IoT.
Maybe we should also add some irony to the concept, to this concept, in order to sneak in through other doors.
I think we just need, like everyone said it before, take it to the world and start creating it instead of complaining.
Maybe we should be less dramatic and more joking around this topic. I guess you get the idea.
Thank you. See you next year.